Want a glowy skin in just 5 minutes every morning? Today, I'm sharing my quick AM skincare routine that's perfect for beginners and anyone chasing that radiant glow. Whether you've got oily skin, dry skin, acne prone skin, this routine uses affordable products to get you flawless results. I start with a wash cleanser. This gentle cleanser removes dirt and oil, prepping my skin for a smooth shave. It's great for beginners because it's not stripping and it keeps your skin soft and clean. So I massage that on my skin for 30 seconds or more than that, then I rinsed it. Next, I applied a gel moisturizer to hydrate my skin before shaving. This lightweight layer softens my skin and it makes the razor blade glide easier, and it also helps prevent irritation. So for beginners, you don't have to do this if you are not used to it. Now I am shaving my face gently. Shaving removes dead skin and also give a smooth feel, and it just helps your skincare to glide on smoothly and give you that baby, baby look, if I'm allowed to say that. So I use a clean razor blade and I go slowly to avoid any cuts. This step is optional, but it makes your skin feels amazing. If you're not used to using razor blade, you can use the regular facial shaver or shave too. You can use that, but for me, I've been using razor blade and it worked perfectly well for me. So please try out first. Do a trial first before you go ahead and use a razor blade, so you don't end up hurting yourself. But like I said, I've been using this for years and it works perfectly well for me, and my skin feels so smooth and so supple. After shaving, I used micellar water. This helped to wipe away any leftover residue and also help to soothing any sensitive skin. Next up, I'm using a toner. This balances skin's pH and tightens pores for a smooth base. It's a must for all skin types. You can use a cotton pad or use your hands to apply it. Just pat it onto your skin. This is the part where you will start building up the glow. So we are starting with a vitamin C serum. This brightens skin and fades dark spots over time. So beginners start with a few drops to avoid irritation and pat it in look. Also make sure that whatever skincare you're applying onto your face, extend it down to your neck, because this is the area that shows aging. After allowing the vitamin C serum to absorb, I went ahead to spritz my face with water. This helps to prep the skin for the next serum to absorb better into the skin. Next, applying hyaluronic serum to lock in moisture. So you have to make sure your skin is damped before you apply your hyaluronic serum. For your vitamin C, your skin needs to be dry, but when it comes to your hyaluronic serum, you need to damp your skin, so it helps to lock in the moisture and give you the amount of hydration your skin needs. And a little goes a long way. So once you apply it, don't rub it. When you apply your serum, you pat with your finger into your skin. Do not rub. You pat into your skin till it absorbs. Make sure your serum absorb really well. Your skincare application, make sure they absorb really well before you go into the next one. Then I applied a gel moisturizer for extra hydration. This does not feel heavy and this is ideal for oily skin and for beginners. So if you have dry skin, extreme dry skin, please don't get a gel moisturizer. Get an appropriate moisturizer for dry skin, something that will hydrate your skin really well. So for this moisturizer, for any moisturizer, you have to rub it in like you're rubbing your cream. But remember I said for your serum, you pat it in. So yeah. The next product we're going to be applying on our skin is a sunscreen, and this is a two-finger rule. Sunscreen helps to protect your skin against any harmful rays. So you use this either you are in your home or you are outdoor. It is very, very important. I have a video on sunscreen where you know why your sunscreen give you white cast and why the other one disappear into your skin. So sunscreen is really, really important. You apply it on areas you're going to be exposing. So yeah, it helps to lock all the skincare products you use to, stay in place and work perfectly well. For my lips, I applied a lip oil. This moisturizes my lips and add a glossy shine. Finally, I rub body oil on my shoulders to match my face glow. It hydrates and gives a radiant finish. So this is just for me to match my face to the rest of my body. So my face doesn't look different from, the rest of my body. And that's my quick AM skincare routine for glowy skin. Try it out and let me know your favorite step in the comments. Yeah, my skin looks really beautiful and looks really, really healthy. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Don't forget to subscribe. Let me know what more you would like to see in my next video. Bye.